guys, what's up? It's Renee, and today I'm doing a video on this look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is a great palette because you can do so much with it, and I used these rusty toned colors right here, and I did that with some bold wing liner and lashes and a bold lip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm starting off by applying this Pond's facial cream to moisturize my skin before any of my concealer and primer. Then I'm using Babyskin by Maybelline as a primer to reduce my pores before I use concealer. Next I'm using my Cover FX Custom Enchants drops in Moonlight to brighten up my skin and add some highlighting.
Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game.
Next, I'm going to be applying my Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer under my eyes and on some problem areas on my forehead. And then I'm going to go on top with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is a little bit lighter. I'm also applying my Rosebud Salve to my lips so they're not chapped. But yeah, I'm just going to apply some of the Tarte concealer so it just brightens up my skin underneath. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm using the middle shade to contour my cheekbones and all around my face. I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush to do so. Using this Morphe sponge, I'm going to blend out my contour. And then once that is all blended out, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun powder to set all of my concealer. So yeah, I'm just taking my Coty Airspun powder and just setting under my eyes and on my forehead and wherever I put the concealer, but I am not setting the contour with this. To sharpen the contour, I'm just going to go underneath with like the sharp side of the blender, and I'm just going to like kind of cut it so it's like really sharp and precise. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills browwiz in chocolate, filling in my brows, and this is what I always use to fill in my brows. I also used to use the pomade, but I found that this was like more of a natural look. Even though I do love the pomade, this gives a more natural brow. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pot Concealer. I don't know like the real name of it, but I know it's like a pot concealer. And I got it on sale on their website in the summer, and it works phenomenal. It's like really full coverage. So since I'm not that tan, I'm just using it under my brow bone because I did use this in the summer. It's a little bit darker, but it still works for my brow bone. And I'm just going to kind of sharpen my brows as well. And I also did set my brows with the e.l.f. clear brow gel so that my brows would stay in place. Now I'm going in with the powder version of the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go over the cream so it sets that. And as I'm doing that, I also blend out all of the powder with a powder brush and then kind of blend everything together so it's more flawless and natural instead of having like sharp lines everywhere. And then I'm taking my Too Faced funfetti blush. It's like a Love Flush Funfetti blush, and it's really good. It's like a really pretty color, so I use that. And then I'm using my Sweets palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to dip into Butterscotch and Starburst and add that as a highlight. And as you can see, this is bright. So yeah. Now I'm going to be using my NYX setting spray to set my face before I do my eyes, because I don't like how my eyes look when I set it. And then, yeah, I'm just going to jump in with Shadow Insurance by Too Faced to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, which is going to be featuring the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love. And I'm going to apply Silk Cream as a transition shade all over my lid. And I'm also using the brush cleaner, which is great. You can get it off like Amazon or whatever. It's awesome. But yeah, I'm applying this all over my lid as a transition shade, so everything else blends evenly and it's just a good base. Next I'm going in with pooter, and I'm applying that to my outer corner and into my crease so I can start darkening up the look. And I'm just going to blend that up as well into my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with an even darker color, and it's more like a reddish, like rustier color. Beautiful. It's called Jacz. And I use this on the outer corner of my eye, blending it a little bit into my crease, but focusing it on the outer part so I can keep it really nice and dark. So now I'm starting to carve out my lid, and I'm going to use the same concealer I used for my eyebrows to do so. And I'm going in with the color Firework in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to apply that all over the concealer. And also, you can't really tell, but I apply the color Firework more in the middle of Sissy and Pooter. So it's like kind of blends everything like really nicely. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend those in together and kind of make like a cut crease, but not really, but kind of. So yeah. I'm applying that same color Jacz underneath my eye as well, just so I can make sure the look is like complete. And I don't know, I feel like it looks weird without anything underneath that, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm also taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner, which I love. This is the liner I use all the time. I used to use the Kat Von D one, but no, this is like my favorite one. The only thing is it's not waterproof, but yeah, I love using this for wings and for any type of liner because it's so easy to work with, and the brush is super skinny. So now that I finished my liner, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal black liner pencil, and I'm just going to tightline my eyes so there's no white. And then I'm going to take my Ardell wispy lashes and I'm going to apply them to my eyeballs. But I like these a lot better than the demi wispies because they're a little bit more dramatic and longer. Don't get me wrong, I love the demi wispies, but these I feel like are more dramatic. And then to blend my lashes together, I'm using the Perversion mascara to just blend it out and make it more dramatic. Using the shade Enlight, I'm going to apply it to my inner corner and to my brow bone so I can bright up my eyes. And I said bright up, I meant brighten. I'm really sorry, this voiceover is trash, but the makeup look isn't. So anyways, you can now go in with any type of lipstick you want, but I went in with my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood. So yeah, that's the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye!